How to use Fashion Nova B for men. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to use Fashion Nova B for men, it just basically means men's section, right? What you need is open the Fashion Nova app onto your device. Make sure that you already have an account. And to begin with, you just have to go to the men's section, which you will be able to find at the very top of the screen here. You could go to the main men's section. There comes all the styles available for men. You could use the camera in order to take a picture, as well as you could search for any sort of clothes as well. Now all you need to do is you could just go ahead and browse the category for jeans, joggers, t-shirts, hoodies, matching sets, jackets and accessories. You could simply scroll down and you will be able to find it. So now you could simply go ahead and pick a right match for you or a set for you. You could just go ahead and do this, after which you could go ahead and copy the outfit shown on the model photo and add accessories, chains, sunglasses, sneakers to finish the look as well. You could also go ahead and select the size and all that, and you could also use a filter for your style, and you could also follow the Nova B vibe. That means typically slim or stacked jeans, graphic or fitted tees, and statement jacket, as well as jewelries. And this way you're supposed to use Fashion Nova B for men. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.